Hello everyone, welcome back. We will see the Ansible variable continuation from the previous video. So in this video, we'll see how we can declare the variables within the playbook. So for example, let me create a playbook to create user. So here I'm just mentioning the name. Okay, I'm going to create an test group in the task going to be okay. So we need to declare the variable in the top. So here you need to specify was and user Joe. Okay, so here I'm going to call that variable. So here we can mention. So since we are mentioning calling the variable between the content, we don't need to specify the double quotes. And here we'll be using the user module, and the name would be double quotes flower bracket user. Okay, now here we are just only calling the variable user, so we need to use the double quotes start and end. Okay, now if I save this file and run the playbook, okay, if I check Ansible, using the command id user Joe. Okay, we can see that user Joe has been created on server B, which is in test group. Okay, so this is how we can declare the variable within the playbook. So you can add multiple variables, and to call that variable you can use it in within the flower bracket so that the variable will be called. Okay, so the second method of using the variable will be, we can also keep the variable in a separate file and use that variable file within the playbook. So for example, I'm creating the file name called user list.yaml, and here I'm providing the values like user1, let's say ACG, and user2 ACG. Okay, let's say ACG2. Okay, now if I go to create the user, two.yaml, So here, and you need to specify the host. So let's use the dev, and here you need to specify wars, files, and the location of the file, which is a user list.yaml. Okay, and task creating user user1. So using user module, we are creating name. So we can specify user1 and user2. So since we are directly using it, we need to specify in double quotes. Okay, so let's put the name creating user1 and user2. Okay, now let me run the playbook. Okay, so here I have the var file, which is user list, and I have two user1 and user2. Let me cat out user list. So here I have two user accounts, user1 and user2, and I have, you know, created this playbook to create those two users. Let me run the playbook. Okay, so now we have created ACG and ACG2 on server A. Let me check Ansible using the Ansible ad hoc command. CG. Okay, it's on dev, right? Okay, we see that these two are exist. Okay, so this is how we can use the war file as well to use it in the playbook. Okay, so that's it in this video, and we'll see you in the next. Thank you.